Hello. Well, I just thought I'd update you. I've got managed to tick another couple of jobs off my list, which is growing ever longer. Battery isolator switch I've put in, and for my battery to battery charger, and the wiring loom finally got done. Yeah, I managed to do it. Anyway, just thought I'd update you. Sorry about the camera work. It is absolutely shite because I'm no good, but I'm trying to hold the camera and do stuff with the other hand. Anyway, have a look. Talk to you in a minute. So, excuse the wiring here, but I've just it's part of my mains hook up there. I need to get these wires all out of the way. I've just put this switch in. It's attached to the front batteries, starter batteries and that, for the battery to battery charger. So I've put an isolator switch in there. There's a fuse down there. It's an inline fuse, it's a 30 amp, and it was just like one continual connection. So I've now put this in, so I can turn it on and off as I want. Wanted to be able to isolate it. So I think that goes up to about 100 and something amps, so that's plenty, big enough. So yeah, it's another little jobbed. Got to tidy the wiring up, which I have all over the van. That's a spring summer job for me. Not gonna have everything out. So yeah, more wiring to do, more wiring to tidy up. That's another jobbed. Isolator switch on my battery to battery cable. Jobbed. Happy days. Finally getting round to getting this broken thing out. I've got the connectors undone. And I'm just pulling this last one through here. Like that, they're colour coded anyway. And I've got to get this off. It's all a bit fiddly. You need two hands for this. So I'm getting that one off. Then I've got to get this one undone. Then hopefully connect the replacement up, and we should be good to go. Let's see how I get on. So this is, if you notice, it's got this cable on. It's not a cable. If you look closely, can't focus. It's basically, the end of it is just a loop, a metal loop, which is cable tied around this loom, I think, just to stop it pulling out. So I'll have to cut that off. So there's the old one out. Looks a lot different to the new one. The most obvious difference is the length, size. Right. Still, let's crack on. Let's try and get this one in, see if it works. Right, so I've managed to get the cable in. It is not the right one, but I'm going to see if it will do. The only problem I've got now is, with all the messing about trying to get to the connectors, which is inside this light assembly, all of the wiring, oh sorry about my fingers, all of the wiring inside, there's boxes in there and everything, I don't know what they're for, it's all fallen down. So now what that means is I can't get the light fitting back in, because there's not enough space behind here to take this light fitting, because all of that's fallen down. Now I can't see anywhere up there it's attached to or tied to. But so I don't know where it connects to. There's a big wiring loom now. I'm wondering if I can get it tucked behind there, so bear with me. Right, so that's in now. I've managed to get the light fitting on. Now what I'm going to do is try and shut the door. See, normally I was closing that and it was all getting crunched up. So I'm going to close the door up. Just got my keys. Hang on a second. Such a pain in the arse. Right, I've got to close the door up and then I've got to go around and try and lock the door, see if all the locking's working and everything. So let's go and find out if it's worked. Hang on a second. Right, so it's all dark. So I'm now inside the van. Sorry about this horrendous camera work, but I'm just doing this on the quick. I just wanted to get cracking on with it, get it out of the way because it's been a pain in the arse. So I'm going to try locking the door and unlocking the door, see if it's all back to normal. It's locked. And I heard the back doors unlock as well, so it looks like it's worked. Happy days. Right, so that's another jobbed. Oh, well guys, as you can see, I've put in me sorry, Corona. I've put in me my battery to battery isolator switch, charger switch, just so that I can isolate everything's now. I'm able to isolate everything individually, which is nice. Solar, mains charger, battery to battery charger, which is nice. All fused, all switched. It's great. But the biggest thing was that wiring loom. What a pain in the arse. You know, my biggest fear was that when I changed it, because it was the wiring loom was actually off of a Mark 6 transit. This is a Mark 7. And the item, what do you call it? The item product code, whatever. That was the same on both. But obviously, my doors on here were designed. They are designed to go right the way back onto the van side of the van. Now, because this is the short wiring loom, I'm not going to be able to do it, so I've got to be very careful. So I'm going to try and get some sort of strap to put onto that side door, so that it can only open straight, which is perfect for that. So no more crushed wires, because it was getting very iffy. I was frightened to open the doors. So now the door opens, all the locks work, the slam lock works, the alarm works, everything works. So looks like that's been reasonably, well, it has been successful. So it's another job to tick off my list, because that has been outstanding for weeks, well, months really, since the other one broke. And at some point I will get the longer one, because it is nice to be able to flip the doors back. So that's all done. Cut all my hands up, who cares. I made sure when I put the insulation in the back doors, I made sure it didn't go up anywhere near that wiring thing where it enters and exits, so as not to thingy. So I've just pulled some more of that away to make sure it doesn't hinder the opening and shutting of the loom. So that's cool. So what else? Got some of the next jobs. Obviously waiting for a bit of nice weather so I can be outside doing a bit of woodwork, which I like doing. I like doing the woodwork side of it. All the wiring stuff and all these little bitsy jobs I'm not over clean on. What else? Have a bit of apple and blackcurrant. Oh, suit you, sir. Yeah, so I can build my shelves. I've got a book somewhere, wherever it is. We have a big long list of jobs, and I'll just keep adding to it all the time, and it's getting longer and longer and longer. there is a lot of jobs to do on the van. That the ones I've done so far have been fairly essential jobs. I want to get to the point where I'm doing more things, you know, I like doing. I've got to do something with my internet. Where I am, I'm not getting good signal. I'm sort of boxed in. That's about it, really. I just wanted to update you with the wiring loom. So that's done now, and the battery to battery charger isolator, and that's it, really. That's all I've done. The odd little bits and pieces here and there. That's it. Bought myself a new work light. Happy days. So, what you lot been doing? Anything exciting? Got some trips coming up, haven't we? We've got the Stratford upon Avon meet up. April, I believe. May time is the Camp Quirky, which I'm booked on. At the moment, I'm trying to decide about the Stratford. I've got it coincides with another weekend I'm supposed to go away with family. You know, and you think it's an awkward decision to make, because the Stratford upon Avon one's like, yeah, come and go. I could go again, I suppose. Don't know what to do. I shall decide nearer the time. Oh yeah, it was my daughter's wedding, wasn't it, last week? And she looked absolutely beautiful, and it was brilliant. It was such a good day, and it went really quick. I've done my father of the bride speech. It seemed to go down quite well. Yeah, it was a lovely day. It's a really, really lovely day. Enjoyed that a lot. So I've just got one more daughter left to get married, and that'll be them all done. 3 girls. Makes me feel old and tired. Anyway, that's me waffling on over nothing. Just wanted to update you a few things that have happened, and little jobs I've got done. Catch you soon. See you later, everyone. Bye.